Hello, good day, viewers. Still on NECO 2024 Mathematics Examination Theory questions. Here is question number 7. And question number 7 comprises A and B parts. So let's start with the A part. So the A part, we are asked to solve the equation 19 divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x minus 4 equal to 5 divided by 6. Before you start solving this question, you should know that x can never be equal to 4. Why? Because if x is 4, we have 4 minus 4 here, which is 0. 0 times 4 is still 0. And we don't want any situation that will make a denominator to be equal to 0. And hence, x can never be equal to 4. All right. And I would like to take this term to the other side and bring this one backward. So we have 19 divided by 12 to the left. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 5 divided by 6. As this crosses over, it becomes positive 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x minus 4. All right, let me simplify the left-hand side. The LCM of these two numbers is 12. So we have 12 right here. 12 into 12 exactly one time, and that one multiplied by 19 is 19. Then minus sign here. 6 into 12 exactly 2 times, and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. This is equal to 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x minus 4. All right. 19 minus 10 is 9 divided by 12 equals 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x minus 4. And you can see that 3 can divide 9 exactly 3 times, and 3 can divide 12 exactly 4 times. So we have 3 divided by 4 equals 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x minus 4. All right. From here, we can cross multiply. We take this, you multiply by the whole of this. 3 multiplied by 4 bracket x minus 4 equals 4 multiplied by 3, which is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 4, right? So you can see that you can directly divide both sides by 3 multiplied by 4. So that this and this will cancel. We only have x minus 4 to the left, and this is equal to 1, right? Because they are exactly the same. So as you take this one to the other side, it becomes positive. So x equals 4 plus 1. And finally, x equals 5. And 5 is said to be the solution to this problem. Now let us move on to the B part, which is under partial variation. So here is the B part of question number 7, which reads, the cost of transportation is partly constant and partly varies as distance covered. The cost is 1,025 naira when 220 kilometers is covered, and the cost also is 1,345 when 300 kilometers is covered. If the distance between Lagos and Kaduna is 982 kilometers, we are asked to find the cost of the transportation, that is from Lagos to Kaduna. All right, let me use C for the cost. It is what? Partly constant. So let me use that constant of proportionality to be K. And what? Partly varies as the distance covered. So let me use D for the distance. And you know we have to attach a constant multiple. So let me call that constant multiple maybe M. Then D, that is the distance. So this is the formula. So let us substitute the two information given to us. The first one is when the cost is 1,025. So let me write it here for C. 1,025 equals the key, remain there, plus, then the distance covered will be what? 220 kilometers. So D is 220. You multiply by M, you have 220 M, our first equation. The second information here, we have a cost of what? 1,345. 1,345. This is equal to K plus the distance covered is 300 multiplied by M. So we have 300m, our second equation. So we can simply say that equation 2, because it is bigger, minus equation 1. So we take the constants, that is 1345 minus 1025, that will give us exactly 320, equals k minus k is 0, then 300m minus 220m, that will give us 80m. So to find m, we can divide both sides by 80, that is 320 divided by 80. And once you do that, m will be equal to 4. So we have obtained the value of m. We can plug the value of m into either equation 1 or equation 2. So let's put it in equation 2 all the same. So we're going to plug in m equal to 4 in equation 2, and equation 2 is 1345. Let me copy that. So this is equation number 2. We are going to plug in m equal to 4. So this is 1345 equals k plus 300 multiplied by m, which is 4. This is 1345 equals k plus 1200. Then to find the value of k, we're going to subtract 1200 on both sides. So this is 1345 minus 1200, and k is equal to 145. All right, we have obtained the value of k and m. These are our constants. Remember, the general equation C is equal to k plus md. What are we looking for? We are looking for the total cost of the transportation from Lagos to Kaduna, which is 982 kilometers. So let's plug in 982 kilometers here. The cost will be k, and k is 145, plus m, which is 4, multiplied by 982, which is the distance from Lagos to Kaduna. This is equal to 145 plus 4 multiplied by 982. That will give us 3,928. Once you add these two numbers together, you have the total cost of 4,073 naira. So this is the cost of the transportation from Lagos to Kaduna. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. In our next tutorial, we are going to solve question number 8. Bye-bye.